You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression, this word, correctly in British English and American English pronunciations. I know it's a little bit confusing. It comes from the French word commerce, which means trade in French. The British English pronunciation here is as e-commerce, commerce. Now, in British English, the R is not really pronounced. Now, in American English, it's said similarly, but you pronounce the R, and it's pronounced e-commerce, commerce. Stress on the co syllable, you've heard it. So, e-commerce or e-commerce, English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.